Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to create a Facebook business page. To start the process, you need to open your Facebook profile in a web browser. Then from the home page, click on this menu icon from the top right. Click on the option of page right below the live event. Here, you can create a page for your business on Facebook. Basically, a Facebook page is where people learn more about you. So you need to put as much information here as possible. The first requirement is to choose a name. It can be the name of your business. Make sure to pick a catchy name that will attract more audience. After that, you need to put the category from which your business belongs. You have different options given in the list. Put the one that suits best to your business. Right below it, you have the option to put a bio. Basically, it is a short introduction or description about your business. You can either type it or copy from a source file. Once you're done adding all the required information, click on the Create Page button. Now finish setting up your page by adding contact details. These details will help people to contact you. Firstly, add your website if you already have one, so people will be able to visit your website directly from the Facebook page. But if you don't have a website, you can simply skip this step. Right after that, you need to add your phone number so people can contact you. Lastly, add your email address. After that, you need to add your complete address including your town, city, and postcode. Right below it, you need to add the location's hours. These steps are optional. You can skip them if you want. Once you're done, click on Next button to go to the next page. Now it's time for customization of your page. Your profile picture is one of the first things that people see. Try using your logo or an image that people can easily associate with you. Click on Add Profile Picture and then upload the picture from your system. If you have not designed one, you can search it online from your browser. Just make sure it should be related to your store. For my store, I'm searching for books. Save this picture in your system. You can download more than one picture related to your store. Once you're done downloading them, go back to your Facebook page. Now upload the pictures you have just downloaded. Your profile picture will be uploaded. Now select a photo for your cover photo. You can drag the photo to reposition it on your screen. After that, click on Add Action button. Once it is done, click on Next to proceed further. You will also get the option to connect WhatsApp to your page. Once you have connected your WhatsApp account, you can add buttons for your page audience to message you on WhatsApp. Just add your WhatsApp phone number in the given box. Now it's time to build your page audience. You can grow your page by inviting your friends to connect with it. Lastly, you need to turn on the given features to stay informed about your page. Turn the toggle on for both notifications and emails. As you can see, your page has been connected. You can edit details if you want or just start uploading posts related to your business. You can create posts and attach videos and pictures to it. Also, you will have access to set privacy for it. This will help you grow your business on Facebook. From the dashboard, you can access Insights, Ad Center, Create Ads, and Settings. From the menu, you can see this page that we have just created. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.